Hello, developers. Welcome back to DroidScripter. In today's tutorial, we're going to change our font style using Jetpack Compose. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more Android development content. First, we need to download your desired font style. Go to Google Fonts and download it. Next, extract the zip file on desktop. In the Raise folder tree, create a folder named Font. Now add in this new directory our font. After that, we need to import this font in our project. In type.kt, we create a new value named regular one that will store our custom font. And next, change the default font family with our custom font, one regular. And there you have it, a quick guide to change the font family with Jetpack Compose. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Subscribe for more Android development content. And until next time, happy coding!